Hi guys, welcome to this next new episode of my solar system utilization, real-time utilization. And as you're well aware, if you've been following my series, I've got 3 arrays of solar panels um, right here for this charge controller. I've got 1070 watt solar panel. To this charge controller, I've got 1.6 kilowatts, that is 1600 watts solar panel. So the third one, this third charge controller, I've got 800 watt solar panel. So what happened is that I've got each of them will be, for this one, 400 watts each. They are connected in parallel. There I got 800 watts. For this one, I've got 4 of them, 400 watts each, and that makes 1600. And for this one here, I've got 535 each solar panel. So 535 plus 535, that's about 1070 watts. Now this is what I'm doing in real time. That's the battery voltage. The weather forecast says it's gonna be there was gonna be an overcast today, but lucky enough there has been sunlight since morning. There's just been a little bit of overcast going back and forth. Now let's look at what I'm doing in real time. The first thing I want to share here before I go forward is this particular national grid energy meter, and this is the off-grid off-grid energy meter. So if you see the top row here, let me see if I can capture some information here. At the top row there, I've already done from the national grid from the 1st of February 2022 until 16th of February 2022. I've done 34.9 kilowatt hour. Now if we come to this side, the top row, that's the one we should be looking at. The bottom one is from the day that I installed this energy meter module. So we're going to ignore that. We're going to focus on the top one. So from the 1st of February 2022 until 16th of February 2022, I've only done 24.4. So as you can see that I am making use of the national grid more than I'm making use of the solar panel or the inverter. So in real time, if we look at what I'm doing right here, so what normally happens is come from the solar panel, and from here I can see what is going into the charge controller. So far today I've made 616 watt hour from this. Currently, if you look on the bottom right here, I'm doing around 200 watts at this moment and 6.5 amps. Now it comes in here good enough. This particular charge controller has its own energy meter, and as you can see 245, but here it says 270. Here's kind of a little bit different, but in terms of amps it's higher, 9.5. Here it's saying 6.7. A little bit of discrepancy there. On this side, this particular one has meter, but it only tells me in real time what I'm doing in terms of amps. It doesn't give me any information when it comes to the watt hour or the wattage. But from here I get the information that I need. So I'm doing around 11 amps here, and right now it's around 300 watts that I'm pulling in real time. And here you can see more information about the battery voltage. The battery voltage here is not accurate, but the voltage from the solar panel that is coming through is accurate. And the same from the top here, this charge controller. You can see in real time what I'm doing. That's about 148 thereabout, and I'm pulling 5 amps. That's going into the battery. And from here you can see that I'm in the inverter mode right now. Once the voltage for the battery drops to 24.3, it switches over to the national grid. So in real time, let's see the load consumption. I'm doing 228 volt and 2.8 amps and 410 watts that I'm consuming right now from the inverter. So I wasn't expecting it to be this good today. Yesterday was not great because I think overall I made around that 700 watt hour yesterday. So that's just the way it is. You get the fluctuation up and down. And thank you guys for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.